Riwruog Jotich kod jopur mag niang' kotelo kod jagoro maduong' Francis Wangara onyiso lembe niang' moko kata kembe niang' moko mondo kik riembe tich joma ne tiyo e kembego ma kaluwore ni moko kuom jotije e kambi ma Mohoroni kod Chemelil oyudo barupe ma riembogi e tich kochakore giko mar dwe mar 8. Wangara onyiso joket mwandu mokawo kembego ni kik riemb jotije machon, ka bende onyiso sirikal mondo otiek chulo gope mag jotije giko dwe mar 10 higani.
Saying everybody to be reabsorbed, not a chance. It is a question of her insisting that the operations of the companies will continue the way they have been operating. So there is nobody who should leave employment. There is no question of guesswork. We are happy with I can single out Mohoroni. They have come up to say they even want more people. Probably they might even engage more people. Sony was talking of 80%. We don't want to hear anything like 80%. We want to hear every employee is absorbed. The only option of people exiting, there are 2 options. One, those ones who have attained retirement age. Those ones will exit. 2, those people who volunteer to leave. Those ones will exit. The rest should be taken on board and continue working under the same terms that they have been earning.